Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today is an exciting day because it is August 4th, the day that my cookbook released. This is my brand new cookbook, the Healthy Instant Pot Mini Cookbook. There are 100 recipes in here for cooking in your Instant Pot Mini. And yes, the recipes can be doubled for 6-quart size Instant Pots and probably tripled for 8-quart Instant Pots. So no problem there. I have a section at the beginning talking all about that. But I am super excited to share my cookbook with you and to celebrate the release of the cookbook. I am doing an entire week of giveaways here on YouTube and over on Instagram. The giveaways will be combined so you can get a double entry if you enter here on YouTube and over on Instagram. For today, on the day 1 giveaway, I'm going to give away, of course, a copy of my cookbook as well as a couple of accessories that I use in the recipes in the cookbook. The first one is a 3-cup bundt pan. These are great for the Instant Pot Mini. They fit perfectly and they make such cute little bundt cakes. Absolutely love this. This is the one that I used for recipe development in the book. But of course, if you win, I will send you a brand new one from Amazon. You won't get my old used one. Also, I'm going to be throwing in a 3-quart sized egg bite mold. This one, it only has 4 wells in there and it fits perfectly in the Instant Pot Mini. The bigger ones, like the Instant Pot brand sells and that are super common on Amazon, they're too big for the Instant Pot Mini, but this one fits perfectly, and you can use this for recipes in my cookbook as well. So if you want to enter to win this prize package, make sure first of all that you are subscribed to me here on YouTube, and then go ahead and like and comment on this video. I'm just gonna leave it open. Whatever you want to comment is totally fine. Only 1 comment on the video will count as the entry, so if you comment 100 times, you're not going to get 100 entries. So that's how you enter here on YouTube. Subscribe, like, and comment. And then if you want to head over to Instagram, I'm at Indigo Nili over on Instagram as well, and I'm going to have a post up there and it will be titled giveaway day number 1. And on that post, you go ahead, well, first of all, make sure you're following me on Instagram. Then go and like that post and then tag a friend who you think might be interested in the cookbook or the giveaway in the comments down below that post. And when you do that, you will be automatically entered a second time into the drawing. I'm just going to run this giveaway for 24 hours because like I said, I'm going to be doing giveaways all week long. And so each one is going to be kind of short. So this giveaway will be open until 5 p.m. tomorrow, which is August 5th. And that's Pacific time. So definitely hurry and comment quickly, get your entries in fast, and then come back again tomorrow for another giveaway. I'm so excited about finally getting to share this book with all of you guys. It's been over a year since I started, almost a year and a half since I started working on it. So it's been a long time coming and just super excited for you guys to see it and to get your feedback. Definitely leave a review on Amazon if you think of it. That would be super fantastic. Tag me on Instagram for sure if you make a recipe from it. I'd love to see. And then also if you see it out for sale, at the store, take a selfie with it or just take a picture of it. I would love to see my book in your local store. That would be so exciting. You can tag me at Indigo Nili, or you can hashtag Indigo Nili, or you can hashtag Healthy Instant Pot Mini Cookbook, and I'll definitely see it and I will repost if you do that. Thank you so much for all the kind comments so far about the book. I am super excited about it, and it just makes it so much better that you guys are excited about it as well. Thanks so much, guys. I will see you in the next video.